All right, guys, we are doing part 2 of me going through all of these damn black garbage bags. So we've made a lot of progress so far. If you missed part 1 of this, I will link it up in the cards. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. One toy, we'll keep that. This is all stuff I feel like I'm gonna throw away, to be honest with you. Into the throwaway pile. This looks like a laundry basket, and that is what it is. So what is in the laundry basket? Oh, come on. You're trash. You're trash. So this just looks like a couple clothing items in here. We have a pair of Kyle's pajama pants. We're gonna keep those. We have one of Kyle's shirts. We're gonna keep that. I have these green, like, what are these called? Capri type things. Will these fit me though? They don't have a tag in them. I'm gonna have to try them on to see if they'll fit. I have one of my Hulk shirts. I'm gonna keep that. And then I have a tank top. What size are you though? Because a lot of my tanks aren't fitting me anymore. That's a large. Gonna get rid of that. And then I have one of my Victoria's Secret sports bras. What size are you though? You are a medium. I could probably fit into this, even though. So I'm a little frustrated because I just realized that my camera was not recording the last probably 15 minutes that I was filming. So I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I just went through and decided to keep. So this is a whole pile that I'm going to be keeping. So this is one of my kids. This is Maddox's Honey Bunny. We have a lady that is in the family that makes these, and they're such amazing quality. Like, no matter how many times you wash these damn things, they still stay so soft. They're so nice. He's had this since he was in the NICU, and I'll leave her link down below, but Madeline has one too. We have a little poop emoji, some scarves, this throw. I have these pair of jeans, this Minecraft sweater, sock. This is a wash pile because this all needs to be rewashed. These Nicki Minaj pants, which I really love because of the waistband, a tank top, just like a, you know, throwaway tee is what I call them. Some Victoria's Secret sweats that I don't think are gonna fit me anymore, but I'm gonna try them on. Another scarf, a really soft blanket. Ooh. Another scarf, another sock. This is like a hood scarf thing. I have this nasty ass work shirt, another sock, some pillows. What do you guys think of this hat? It's a Vera Bradley hat. I think I got it for like 50 cents at the thrift store. This looks like curtains, reusable bags, and stuffed animals. And what is this? What is that? Oh, these are, oh, I'm taking these out because I've been wanting these for, I was gonna go buy some actually for our recycling and paper, because we burn our paper and stuff. There's a little fold up trash or laundry baskets, but I think they'd be really good in our trash area for our paper and our other recyclables until we put it out in the trash and burn it. So I'm gonna take these out, and then the rest of this bag, like I said, just looks like stuffed animals and like other little bags. There's some socks in here, but like my kids have enough socks. Oh wait, here's my little Mickey Mouse slipper. If I can find the other one, I will keep that. I'm not seeing the other one in here though. So we're gonna keep those, and then the rest of this I'm gonna get rid of. I just told Kyle, I was like, just be prepared to have a lot of laundry and a lot of throwing away stuff. We're gonna have to go to the dump and pay to dump this stuff because it sucks. And just think, I'm one person decluttering, and this is all trash that's just gonna go sit in a landfill because I used to have a huge shopping problem. her. You got this white top. Keep her. More socks. So many pairs of socks. More socks. We have a Victoria's Secret pink sweater. Keep that. We got some pants. These might fit me. I'll have to try them on. Oh my god, could you guys imagine if I did a video trying on every outfit in my closet? Oh, that would take forever. More socks. Another sweater. I own so many hoodies too. Like I said, I used to have a major shopping problem, especially at thrift stores, and it's kind of sad. Another pair of pants. These might still fit me. They're a medium. More socks. Oh my god. We'll just stuff all these over here. We got some green pants. Size small. Those probably will fit me now. I know they didn't fit me when I packed them. And I have another pair of pants. These look kind of big. Size 2. I'm gonna get rid of those. Another pair of pants. These are really cute. What size are these? Size 8. They might fit. I range between a size 6 and a size 11 depending on the brand right now. Another mesh shirt. This is gonna be way too big. More socks. I have an obsession with hospital socks, so yeah. More pants. Those will not fit me. I can tell you that right now. When I used to go thrifting, that if you take a pair of pants and you take them like this and you put them around your neck, and if they touch like this, then that means they'll fit. If they don't reach or they're too like tight like this, then they won't fit. But if they're perfect like this, then that means they'll fit. And 9 times out of 10, it works. We have a pair of black dress pants. Those will not fit me. Those are way too big. What the heck are these? These are cute, but I feel like they won't fit me. 29. Yeah, those are going to be too big, but they might be cute. I'll try them on. I really don't want to get rid of clothes that will fit me or that I can make work because, again, it's wasteful. So if I can make things work, I would rather keep them. More socks. I also don't shop at Victoria's Secret anymore at all. I used to be very big about name brand clothing because that was like the in thing to do, and now that doesn't mean anything to me. I would rather spend more money on clothes that are gonna last, and I just don't feel like Victoria's Secret clothing is the best lasting wise. And then I have a pair of these black pants that are extra large. Those are not gonna fit. More random socks. Alright, this looks like lularoe, which I already told my mom that I would give her a lot of the lularoe that I don't feel like I'm going to be keeping. I used to not really understand what MLMs were, and I really do like lularoe leggings, like before their quality went downhill. Like when they first started, I lived for their leggings, especially when I was heavier. Like I'm wearing lularoe leggings right now. I bought these at the thrift store though for like $2, but now the quality is just so bad. So this is actually lularoe. I love this. Great quality. Like I said in the beginning, their quality was really, really good. Pair of shorts. I don't think these are gonna fit me. Size 8. Yeah, those are gonna be too big. Pair of underwear. Victoria's Secret underwear. They look brand new. Like I never wore them. A lot of these lularoe leggings I've never worn either. This bra from Victoria's Secret that Probably won't fit me anymore because my boobs are non-existent now that I lost weight. I can tell you right now, this is definitely too big for me, but I'm gonna try it on before I get rid of it because Victoria's Secret bras are good quality. And that one I don't think I've ever even worn. Like, it's literally brand freaking new. So these are LuLaRoe leggings. I like these. I'm gonna keep them. My elephants, keep those. And some of the ones I'm keeping, I'm gonna sell online, and some I'm gonna give to my mom. Probably gonna keep most of these. Keeping. These are really cute. I have a maxi dress. This is not LuLaRoe. Throw that out. Or not throw it away, but donate it. Leggings from LuLaRoe. It's kind of sad. A bra strap from that bra I just talked about. It's kind of sad looking at how many items of clothing I have here, and this isn't even all of my clothing, obviously. And I was buying clothing because I had all this stuff put away and didn't realize that I had all this stuff. And then, like, in my brain, I'm like, oh, it's from when I was heavier. I'm not going to fit in any of it. And I probably will declutter a lot of this stuff that I'm keeping because it might not fit me. If you guys want to see a video of me trying all this stuff on, let me know in the comments below because I'm going to be trying all the clothes on. Leggings. I have another maxi skirt. What size are you? You're a medium. This is cute. I'm gonna try that on. More leggings. Like I said, these are all brand new. Never worn. Pair of shorts. What size are you? A 9? Those are gonna be too big. I have these like tight biker short type of thing going on here. I'm gonna keep those. Madeline used to have the matching pair of leggings with me with these, but hers got way more worn than mine did. Mine did not get worn at all. I have a bra. Planet Fitness shirt. I'm gonna donate that. This is a Five Guys shirt. I'm gonna keep that because Five Guys actually is really good. I have a nightgown. I'm gonna keep that. More underwear. These lipstick prints. I used to live in LuLaRoe, you guys. And then I have a LuLaRoe skirt. This is gonna be way too big on me now. I believe this is a large. Yeah, it is. I think I'm gonna actually put this aside for Felicia. There's gonna be a couple things I'm gonna put aside that I want Felicia to go through. Another thong. Because Felicia has like the same body type as I do. She's just a bit taller than I am. So a lot of stuff that doesn't fit me of mine usually fits her. I don't like this. I don't know why I have that. More leggings. So many pairs of leggings. I used to have a whole dresser just for LuLaRoe clothing, you guys. Like, I spent probably $5,000 on LuLaRoe clothing, and they ended up owing me a ton of money and kind of scamming me. So again, if you want a video, I keep saying that like every other sentence about different things, but if you want a video about how LuLaRoe scammed me, let me know in the comments down below because they still owe me probably $1,000. I have these really cool, I've never worn these really cool dragon leggings. I have these really pretty rose leggings. This is a random t-shirt from Old Navy. I'm gonna get rid of that. These really cool blue balloon leggings. I have solid blue leggings. Oh, I love these next ones. I paid like extra money for these because it was a unicorn print. These are the octopus leggings. I have this cover. I call them cover-ups, but they're just like shirts. This one is a cropped one though. I don't know if I like this. It's cute. It'd be cute with a black dress. feel like I need to hold on to it though, because I feel like I could get use out of it. More lularoe leggings. You can't tell I like very wild things. Got these shorts. Wow, those will not fit me. That just goes to show you how big I used to be, you guys. And then I love this print, but I never wore them. I have these butterfly ones. I think I've worn these ones at least one time, maybe. So sad. I have this Victoria's Secret shirt. This is kind of big. I might see if Felicia wants this. American Eagle shorts. Those will not fit me. I'm gonna have to go through the clothes that I'm donating to see if my friend Felicia wants any of this stuff. Yeah, see, that's not gonna fit me. My tits went from a double D when I was bigger to a down to now I'm like a negative A. What is this? Oh, shapewear that I've never tried on or used. Because, you know, I'm cool like that. I'm definitely getting rid of this because I will never wear that. I don't even know why I bought it. These really pretty bluebird leggings. More leggings. These ones have like little cupcakes on them. They're super cute. Tights, which I'm going to throw away. Some shorts. These might fit me actually. Might be a little big, but I'll try them on. We'll see. Shapewear. I'm gonna end part 2 here. Yeah, we did really well. I would definitely say on this part, well, on part 2, we definitely kept more things this time around, which is good. But we also decluttered quite a few things and are donating quite a few things. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you like my vibe, don't forget to subscribe. And I really hope to see you guys on part 3.